Dictatorship. Hi friends, welcome to General Knowledge Bites. Today our topic is dictatorship, a form of government. Dictatorship is a form of government characterized by a single leader or group of little leaders and little or no toleration for political pluralism or independent programs or media. According to other definitions, democracies are form of government in which those who govern are selected through contested elections. Therefore, dictatorships are not democracies. A dictatorship is a form of government where one person or political party has the power to do whatever they want. The ruler is called a dictator. Dictatorship is a form of government in which one person or small group of possesses absolute power without effective constitutional limitations. Why dictators come to power? Dictators often come to power in times of difficulty such as massive unemployment, inflation, and unrest among the population. When was dictatorship government first implemented? It was created by the Roman Senate in 510 BC for emergency purposes such as taking care of rebellions during the time of Republic. Dictatorship was first implemented in Rome at the beginning of 5th century BCE, probably after the monarchic rule. Who was the first dictator in the realm? Julius Caesar was the first dictator and introduced dictatorship. Caesar was the master of Rome and made himself consul and dictator. Types of dictatorship. Military dictatorship. Military dictatorships are regimes in which a group of officers holds power, determines who will lead the country, exercises influence over policy. High-level elite and a leader are the members of military dictatorships. Single-party dictatorship. Single-party dictatorship regimes in which one party dominates politics. In single-party dictatorship, a single party has access to political posts and control over policy. Some single-party dictatorship countries are China, Cuba, Eritrea, Laos, North Korea, Sahrawi Arab, Saudi Arabia, and Vietnam. Personalist dictatorship. Personalist dictatorship are regimes in which all power lies in the hands of a single individual. Personalist dictatorship differ from other forms of dictatorship in their access to key political positions, other fruits of office, and depend much more on discretion of personalist dictator. Types of dictatorship. Monarchic dictatorship. Monarchic dictatorship are regimes in which a person of royal descent has inherited the position of head of state in accordance with accepted practice or constitution. Hybrid dictatorship. Hybrid dictatorship are regimes in which blend qualities of personalist, single party, and military dictatorship. The most common forms of hybrid dictatorship are personalist single party hybrids and personalist military hybrids. Pros, that's advantages of dictatorship. Government corruption can be removed immediately. Dictators provide more stability. A dictatorship can promote innovation. Government resources can be removed immediately. Dictators are extremely patriotic towards their nation. Dictators can change nation's way of life. It leads to the disadvantages in dictatorship. It leads to abuse power. The dictator misuses his power at the expense of the citizens. Dictators always oppress and suppress the people, or even promote their own favorites and interests. Dictators can target innocent people, mass killings, large number of innocent people are killed. Population is never happy with such a government. Dictators can write the laws at any time. Opposition is not allowed to exist commonly. Most powerful dictatorships: North Korea, Russia, Uzbekistan, Iran, Libya, Syria, Equatorial Guinea, Gambia, Venezuela, and China are the current most powerful dictatorships. Least powerful dictatorships currently: Cambodia, Cameroon, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Madagascar, Myanmar, Rwanda, Sudan, Tunisia, and Zimbabwe. 10 famous dictators: Adolf Hitler, Germany; Benito Mussolini, Italy; Joseph Stalin, Soviet Russia; Mao Zedong, China; Saddam Hussein, Iraq; Kim Jong-un, North Korea; Fidel Castro for Cuba; Francisco Franco for Spain; Ho Chi Minh for Vietnam; Pervez Musharraf for Pakistan. Current dictatorship countries. As of today, there are 50 dictatorship countries in the world: 19 in the sub-Saharan Africa, 12 in the Middle East and North Africa, 8 in the Asia Pacific, 7 in Eurasia, and 3 in Americas and in Europe. Some dictatorship countries currently are China by Xi Jinping, Russia by Vladimir Putin, Myanmar by Hitin Kayev, Kazakhstan by Nursultan Nazarbayev, Venezuela by Nicolas Maduro, Chad by Idris Deby, Cameroon by Paul Biya, Ethiopia by Abiy Ahmed, Belarus by Alexander Lukashenko, Iraq by Barham Salih, Afghanistan by Ghani, Syria by Bashar al-Assad, Western Sahara by Brahim Ghali, North Korea by Kim Jong-un, and Cuba by Miguel Diaz-Canel.